Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Honda CRV struts, uncovering the top picks for your vehicle. Whether you're seeking superior performance or a smoother ride, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for expert recommendations and insightful reviews on the best struts for your Honda CRV. Number 1. Ori Struts. Unleash your Honda CRV's true potential. Prepare to be amazed by Ori Struts, the ultimate upgrade for your Honda CRV. These high-performance struts redefine your driving experience, ensuring unparalleled comfort and stability on the road. Say goodbye to bumpy rides and hello to smooth, responsive handling. Ori Struts are meticulously engineered to perfection, guaranteeing top-notch quality and durability. Whether you're tackling rough terrains or cruising the city streets, these struts effortlessly enhance your vehicle's performance. Don't just drive, command the road with confidence. Elevate your CRV's ride to new heights with Ori Struts, where power meets precision. Number 2. Detroit Axel has revolutionized the driving experience with their exceptional struts, tailor-made for Honda CRV enthusiasts. Picture this: a smoother ride, unparalleled stability, and effortless maneuverability, all thanks to these game-changing struts. The transformation in my Honda CRV's performance is nothing short of astounding. Detroit Axel has truly outdone themselves, crafting a masterpiece that guarantees both comfort and control. Say goodbye to bumps and hello to a seamless journey. If you're a Honda CRV owner, these struts are an absolute game changer. Detroit Axel, you've earned a customer for life. Number 3. ECCP Struts. Unleash the road beast. When it comes to upgrading your Honda CRV suspension game, ECCP struts are the game changer you've been waiting for. These struts aren't just an improvement, they're a transformation. They're tailor-made for the CRV, ensuring a seamless fit and unmatched performance. The ride? Oh, it's a dream. Smoother than a baby's bottom, yet ready to tackle the toughest terrain with ease. ECCP struts bring confidence to every turn, absorbing shocks like a champ. Installation? A breeze. ECCP's quality and precision truly shine. Your CRV will thank you, and your passengers will beg for more rides. Say goodbye to ordinary, say hello to ECCP struts. Number 4. Satu Struts. Unleash your Honda CRV's true potential. If you're a Honda CRV owner seeking the ultimate driving experience, look no further than Satu Struts. This incredible suspension upgrade takes your CRV to new heights, delivering a smooth, controlled ride that'll make you feel like you're gliding on air. Say goodbye to bumps and jolts as Satu's precision engineering transforms your daily commute into a dreamlike journey. Easy to install, these struts offer a perfect fit for your CRV, giving you more confidence in every twist and turn. Elevate your ride with Satu Struts and discover a world of difference in comfort, control, and performance. Get ready to redefine your CRV experience today. Number 5. Autosaver 88 Struts. Unleash your Honda CRV's true potential. Get ready to elevate your Honda CRV's ride with Autosaver 88 Struts. This game-changing upgrade is the ultimate secret weapon for all CRV enthusiasts. These struts not only ensure a smoother, more comfortable drive, but also enhance your vehicle's performance, delivering unmatched stability and control. The perfect fit for Honda CRV, these struts offer top-tier quality at an unbeatable price point. Say goodbye to the bumpy road blues and hello to a thrilling, smooth ride. Autosaver 88 Struts, where style meets substance, and your CRV's full potential comes to life. In conclusion, finding the best struts for your Honda CRV is crucial for a smooth and safe ride. We've explored top options, considering performance, durability, and value. Remember, the right choice enhances your driving experience and ensures your vehicle's longevity. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you make an informed decision. Drive safely and stay tuned for more valuable content. Thanks for watching.